Welcome to Defender Outdoors Clay Sports Ranch. My name is Travis Mears. I'm super excited you're here today. One of my favorite ways to shoot is by myself because I can get a lot of practice in and some really good quality practice. So each of our station has long-range electronics up on the front. I want to teach you how to use those if you're shooting by yourself. We've got the ability to add a delay, and this is how we're going to do it. Get to the station. The machine's typically going to be off. We're going to hit any button to wake it up. At that point, since this is a report pair on this station, we're going to create the initial delay. So we're going to hit this top right button until we get to 4 seconds. That's my favorite initial delay. Now, since this is a report pair, we're going to hit the bottom button, creating a second delay. I'm going to take that to 2 seconds by hitting the top right button. At that point, we can put our card in and we're ready to shoot. So we'll get in the station, load our 2 shells. We can hit this bottom button, the pair button, and it's going to start the delay countdown. 4, 3, 2, 2 seconds. Okay, so that was a good solid report pair. Now let's say this was a true pair on this station. It's a little different. We only need the initial delay. So when we get to the station, we'll wake it up, but this time we're only going to create the initial delay, which is our top right button. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Place it back, insert our card. We're ready to shoot. Load our 2 shells. We're going to hit that doubles button again, and it's going to start the countdown. 4, 3. So we've gone through the report pair and the true pair. It's super fun and super easy. If you've got any questions, ask somebody in the pro shop. But I hope you have as much fun and good quality practice. We look forward to seeing you again at the range.